Farleyo have always been honest and pragmatic. The development concept of win-win cooperation adhere to the quality of survival and innovation, the aim of development, to provide customers with quality products and services. We transform technological advantage into market advantage, high-quality products from advanced production, supporting equipment and a good production environment. At present, we have a number of high-grade and sophisticated production equipment, multiple automatic line. The company has a large and well-equipped laboratory and quality testing center and perfect quality management system. The company's products are of excellent quality. We simplify, improve, and start over to make it better. Companies adhering to scientific and technological innovation products and services with the future. Use science and technology to lead a better future.